I'm so excited about this one here. This is Tilt 5. I came all the way from Germany to try out this device. So, and I'm here with Daniel Nelmar, right?
Yep,
Nelmar,
got
exactly.
it.
Yeah, exactly. And Daniel is the community manager from Tilt 5. Also, we know him from the VR Trend magazine.
Sir.
It's amazing to see you here. And now, tell us more about what is this device about?
Yeah, sure. So this is the Tilt 5 system, and is a pair of AR glasses. And what we have here is we have two projectors that are built up here. And what's happening is these projectors are shooting down at this highly reflective table that we have here. And on this table is a bunch of different crystal beads, which is reflecting light back into your eyes.
At exactly the right angle.
At
so
the exactly
that is
right
crazy.
angle.
That is crazy
what's cool
technology.
Is you could have 20, 15, as many people around here playing.
Okay.
They could all be playing completely different games on the same exact board.
Wow.
Right?
Okay.
Or they could be playing together, and it doesn't degrade any of that experience at all.
Okay.
Which is impressive considering there's only 0.7 lumens of light coming out of these projectors. It's not a whole lot of light.
And it works even though it's very bright here.
Yes. Absolutely, absolutely. And because we're using projectors, something you don't get in other AR glasses is like really dark, deep blacks.
Okay.
For us, that's not a problem.
Okay, cool.
Which is amazing. But yeah, built-in headset, built-in microphone, built-in speakers, and then we have a kind of interesting wand here.
Yeah.
So this wand has basically
So
like
there's fire coming out of here, right?
yeah, right.
Yeah.
So there's a wire, but it is a 6-off tracking controller, right? So
Oh, six. How does it work?
yeah, 6-off. So there are cameras up here that track the wand, track objects, track miniatures, dice, whatever
Okay.
items you might want to incorporate
Okay.
into your games, right?
Okay.
So you can incorporate real items into your games.
Okay,
So
wow.
it'll track the controller. So we have one method of using, which is the wand for picking things up and maneuvering.
Okay.
But we also have the arcade version where a lot of people will
all
play
right.
it like this for particular
Okay.
games as well.
And should I wear my glasses? I'm short-sighted, not so bad, but
If you want to, you can
Okay.
see without it.
I'll
It's more
try
comfortable
without.
without.
try without first. So it would be great if you can become my cameraman now and take this. Yeah, so it's first time that I'm trying the Tilt 5. I'm super excited, and let's see what's gonna happen now.
There you go.
Okay.
Go ahead and grab that wand there and hold it like you would a barbecue lighter.
Yeah. Okay.
You should see a plane pop up.
Oh yeah! Wow. Okay. This is wow.
So you go ahead and like lean down,
This
get
is
close.
crazy.
I mean, yeah, absolutely.
This is really amazing. Oh my God! This is it's the whole plane is now basically a video game,
Yep.
a 3D video game. Wow, this is better than I imagined. This is really impressive.
You can use that joystick. You can fly up and down all around. So hold it like you would a wand, right? And now use that joystick and point up or down.
Okay,
There you go.
Oh wow, this is really cool. Since it's so 3D and it's so clear. This is so surprising, Daniel. I'm shocked.
And think about it.
This
Think
is
how
up-
bright it is in here right now, right?
Yeah, exactly. It's a super bright image.
So-
This is without a doubt the best AR I've seen so far, and I've seen them all basically. This is so cool. Wow. Yeah.
So much.
So Jerry, if you're watching this, I'm impressed by your work. Really, this is so cool. And could you tell me about the price?
Yeah. So the price for a kit is $359.
$359.
That gets you a
I get
headset,
this,
a wand, and you get a board.
and this.
Yep.
Oh,
So you get one, your friend gets one, and he's on the other side of the world, and you guys are playing whatever you want together on here.
Oh my God. Okay. So what game is this now?
So this game is called The Forest, the Fantasy Forest, and it's like a Diablo-style game,
Right,
right?
right.
So what you see is you're looking down on it, and it's almost like a little diorama.
It is.
If you press the 1 or 2 button on that controller, which is right by the joystick, right here, it'll move the camera angle around. And you can get down close, and you can get your face. I mean, you can really look at it, right?
Wow. Yeah, it does change. It does change the view. Wow. This is so cool. So the price is surprisingly cheap.
Yeah, right?
Like,
Surprise!
Really, this
Yeah.
is a really good price.
Yeah, absolutely. For a full kit, and what's cool is every kit's a developer kit. So every kit, we have an SDK that takes 10 minutes to drop into any Unity game, and it's working on here, right? So anyone can get this and start building their own experiences, build their own Dungeons and Dragons campaign, build whatever they want. And we support remote play, we support local play.
But you do need a gaming PC, right?
So right now, it is attached to a laptop, but we're rolling out our SDK for Android. So you just plug it into your Android phone, and off you go.
Wow. This is so good. You know what I'm going to try? I'm going to try to make it through the lens video. Will that work?
Let's try.
I really want them to see it. So right now you don't see anything, of course. Oh no. Wait a moment. No, I don't think it's working. Or
Yeah, it might be hard.
Does it have like a? Does it have like a proximity sensor? So that
It doesn't. It's on right now. It's just it has to be at the right angle.
Ah, okay.
So let's give it a second. There we go.
Okay.
It's really because the refresh rate on
Yeah.
this is so high. It's like 180 hertz refresh rate.
Right. You can really see it.
Yeah, so it's probably gonna be really hard to pick up. But what we do have is we have a Mixcast version over here.
Ah, okay.
So
And
it
then
works.
What does it mean?
Yeah, it works right with Mixcast, so that way, we can see right on the TV exactly what you're doing.
Ah, okay. Okay, yeah, that's better. That's better.
Yeah.
Well, let me put this on again.
Yeah.
Since I came from so far away. Okay. Probably you could show.
So this one's going to be a little volumetric experience here. So you should see a person floating in front of you,
Oh yeah.
right? And you can like get down and look at her, and you could walk like around her, right? I mean,
You want to touch it, but
right?
yeah. And why did you do this tilting?
So what this tilt allows us to do is it allows us to get extra depth.
Okay.
Right,
All
so-
right. Yeah. Because here I see something now. Here, floating
Yep.
there.
Yeah.
Ah,
So
okay,
it just
that makes
opens it
sense.
up. But realistically, you could grab another one of these boards. Say you got a friend that had a board, and they could set their board next to you, and this whole scene would just expand out,
Ah, okay.
and they would just automatically connect.
Wow. That's right. So the field of view is just perfect for this board. The whole thing is.
And
the whole thing is.
and if you put more boards, your field of view is as big as the boards you have.
Really?
Yeah, there's no field of view,
wow.
there's no total field of view.
So I could make like a whole. I could make like a whole room full of.
You
this,
could.
and everything would be.
Right?
350. Wow, this is a great price. Yeah, I'm totally shocked. And what is the resolution of this? 1080p?
Oh, sorry. So
What is the resolution?
the resolution that's coming out of the projectors is 720p, but your eyes are taking that light in, right? As like, I wish, Shasta, do you know what the actual resolution is once it hits your eyes?
I think it's 720p.
Yeah,
Okay,
so it is a 720p.
Yeah,
Yep.
720p per eye.
It's still
Yep.
great.
Yeah.
It's still fantastic. Powered by Holographic. Okay. Yeah, I'm excited about this. I'm super excited about this. Or you can super excited about Tilt 5. I'm glad that I could finally try it out, and it's really better than I thought actually. I'm impressed like how bright this picture is compared to other AR glasses. How beautiful everything looks, and yeah, I just see I need Demio on this, right?
I think so.
Yep.
Yeah, right.
Yep.
We all think so.
Yeah, you all think so, right? So, are you working with Demio already? With them? With Resolution Games?
We are not yet. We would like to be.
Tweet at them, throw anything their way.
Okay.
Let them know.
okay.
Let them
yeah.
know you want it.
Yeah, I'm going to meet them soon.
Right on.
I will tell them. You have to. Yes. Resolution Games, you have to bring Demio to Tilt 5. It's such an amazing experience. And yeah, just thank you so much for the demo.
Yes.
Got it.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right, wait. I gotta grab you a dice and a shirt here.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So. Oh, perfect.
What size shirt
Thank
do
you.
you wear?
What?
What size shirt do you wear?
XL.
XL?
Yeah. Yeah, look at this. Even got one of those. Thank you so much, Daniel. Okay, that's it from AWE Tilt 5. Bye-bye.